Huh. This is Bolero Neo or TUV 300 or TUV Neo or Bolero 300. What is this? This is confusing, man. So okay, you might be confused that is this Bolero Neo or TUV 300, but believe me, this is all new 2021 version Bolero Neo. It is the successor of the highest selling SUV in India, the previous generation Bolero. It looks same like that of TUV 300. That's because this Bolero Neo is based on the platform of TUV 300. Mahindra has scrapped all the bulky and rugged look of the previous generation Bolero. Basically, to be honest, this is highly updated BS6 compliant TUV 300. There are three versions in this Bolero Neo: N4, N8 and N10 optional. The N4 version, which is the base variant of this Bolero, starts at 8.48 lakh Indian rupees, which is the ex-showroom price, and the prices of top variant, that is N10 optional, have not yet been disclosed by Mahindra. The interior has this new look of beige fabric upholstery. There are new instrument clusters present, as well as the speedometer and odometer dials have been changed. Also, this Bolero Neo is still a 7-seater SUV just like its previous generation. The top variant, that is N10 variant, gets loads of features just like 7-inch touchscreen infotainment display, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, steering mounted audio controls, eco mode and electronic side view mirrors. Safety measures like dual airbags in the front, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, that is EBD, cornering brake control, that is CBC, have been added. It also gets freshly reprofiled new headlamps along with LED DRLs and new set of fog lamps. It also has twin 5-spoke alloy wheels which have been carried on from TUV 300 to this Bolero Neo. So the most important question, what about its engine? That also remains the same as that of TUV 300, which is 1.5 liter 3-cylinder diesel engine which produces 100 horsepower and 260 Newton meters of torque, 20 Newton meter more than TUV 300. Also, it has a combination of 5-speed manual gearbox. Sadly, there is no automatic transmission option available for this Bolero Neo. To maximize the fuel efficiency and to comply with BS6 guidelines, this Bolero Neo comes equipped with fuel-saving technologies like engine start-stop, micro-hybrid technology and eco mode. Also, there is a multi-terrain technology which optimizes off-roading performance of this vehicle. There is also an option of mechanical differential lock system for the top variant, that is N10 variants, in which it locks the front wheels and sends all the power to rear wheels when the vehicle is struggling for traction. So, final verdict, looking at the success of previous generation Bolero, which was considered as bread and butter SUV of the Indian people, the chances of success of this Bolero Neo will be challenging as well as tough for Mr. Anand Mahindra and his team at Mahindra. So on this bombshell, let's end today's vlog. I hope you have liked this today's vlog. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will never ever miss such an awesome content in the future of this channel. And I'll see you next time. Till then, ciao.